will people vote to? VPP is a newcomer in electoral politics. It doesn't have any presence except in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. In one district out of 12 districts of Meghalaya, this party has a presence. So it can't even call itself a regional party. It's not even a statewide party. It's a district-wise party. So you understand the ramifications of that statement. We are fighting in an era and in an environment where the leading national party is not contesting the elections. NPP has chosen to ally with that party. Meghalaya has always voted against BJP. Congress is a spent force. VPP has a presence only in East Khasi Hills district. Now, whose chances of winning are brighter? It's for you to do the analysis. The fact that they have lost several elections itself means that they no longer command following or the respect or popularity among the people. If they leave, it means we lose that single individual's vote. I'm not sure whether his wife will even agree with that individual who left. Me to even comment on something like that. A lot of people say a lot of things, but this government and some of the elected representatives who continue to be in the assembly have worked silently for the good of the people, for their upliftment. We do not make a hue and cry about it. I take a lot of decisions on file which is in the interest of the people. Now, I cannot sign every file and then go to the rooftop of the secretariat and shout that, look what I have done. You know, only very immature people would do that. And for a party to even call itself a regional party, you would at least have to have a statewide presence, which is something that the VPP lacks. They are winning the elections. There is nothing strange about it. Second is, if you judge the performance or the likely result of elections based on turnout in political meetings, you can safely say that that is a very misleading way of looking at how the electorate would finally vote, because over 85% of people who vote in elections do not turn out for rallies and meetings, which is why the system itself is called the secret ballot. Why is it secret? It is because 85% of the electorate does not show its inclination or tilt towards any party or candidate. They vote silently through the system of secret ballot. But if some people like to make good theatrical shows about it, then it's their freedom of choice to their own ideology. For us, we are more interested in the stability of governance and of the political system in Meghalaya. A lot of people have asked us questions like, why are we partnering with the NPP in the government? But it's so obvious that even a blind man can see this, that Meghalaya consists mainly of two regions, the Garo Hills and the Khasi Jaintia Hills sectors. Now, the Garo Hills sector has voted overwhelmingly in favor of the NPP, and the Khasi Jaintia sector has voted overwhelmingly in favor of the UDP, HSPDP combined. So you have to respect the mandate of the people. That mandate can only be possible when you cobble up a coalition which is stable, which is representative in nature, and which then combines the best interests of the people of both the regions of Meghalaya. I think you will realize this fact that the UDP in the assembly itself has 12 MLAs plus 2 HSPDP, which makes it 14, which is more than 1/3 of the total strength of the Shillong parliamentary constituency. That apart, even in constituencies which have not had UDP or HSPDP MLAs in the past 10 to 15 years, we have always managed to garner not less than 3,000 votes, even in those constituencies, where our local presence in terms of party functionaries is absolutely zilch. So it's the appeal of the party that is more important than any other factor, like a new entrant into electoral politics. Issues, but on the whole, the manifesto offers actively visionary statement.